Hi, and welcome to New Way Health. Today, we're going to talk about women's health. Every woman's life is a juggling act balancing work, family, friends, and maybe even finding a moment to relax. With so much on your plate, taking care of your health can sometimes feel impossible or even selfish. But here's the truth. Your health is the foundation of everything you do. The better you feel, the stronger you'll be for yourself and for those you love. Today, let's look at some essential health tips every woman should know, practical advice you can use, no matter your age or stage of life. Let's start with the basics, nutrition. You've probably heard this 1,000 times, but what you eat really does matter. Aim for a balanced diet, plenty of leafy greens, colorful fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Iron is especially important for women, and not just during pregnancy. Low iron can lead to fatigue and brain fog, so include iron-rich foods like spinach, beans, and lean red meat, or talk to your doctor about supplements if needed. And don't forget calcium. Women are at higher risk for osteoporosis as we age, so low-fat dairy, leafy greens, and calcium-fortified foods should be regulars on your plate. Next up, movement. You don't have to run a marathon or spend hours at the gym to make a difference. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise, most days of the week, can lower your risk for heart disease, diabetes, and even some cancers. Try brisk walking, cycling, yoga, or dancing around the living room, whatever gets you moving and brings a smile to your face. And don't underestimate strength training. Women naturally lose muscle mass as they age, which can slow metabolism and affect balance. Strength training, even with light weights or body weight moves, can keep you strong and independent. But even the healthiest diet or most dedicated exercise routine can be derailed by stress and lack of sleep. Chronic stress can impact everything from your immune system to your digestion. Set aside time for relaxation, whether it's meditation, a hobby, or just 10 quiet minutes with your morning coffee. And prioritize quality sleep. Adults need 7 to 9 hours a night. Your body repairs and recharges during sleep, and skipping it can affect your hormones, mood, and even your heart health. Make your bedroom a sanctuary. Dim the lights, keep devices out of arm's reach, and try to keep a consistent sleep schedule. Annual checkups and routine screenings are non-negotiable. Catching health issues early is often the key to overcoming them. Schedule regular visits with your primary care provider and pay attention to recommended screenings based on your age and family history. For women, this often means pap smears, mammograms, and bone density tests as you get older. And don't forget about blood pressure and cholesterol checks. Heart disease is the leading cause of death for women worldwide. Even if you feel fine, these quick tests can make all the difference. Reproductive health is another area where knowledge is power. Track your menstrual cycle not just for fertility, but to spot changes that might signal hormonal imbalance or other health concerns. If something feels off, pain, irregular cycles, unusual bleeding, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. For women approaching menopause, be mindful of shifting symptoms, from sleep disturbances to hot flashes. There's support available, and you don't have to navigate this transition alone. Mental health matters too. Women are twice as likely as men to experience depression and anxiety, but many of us try to power through instead of reaching out. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Build a support network, talk to friends or a therapist, and carve out time for self-care. Whether that's journaling, therapy, or a walk in the park, your mental well-being deserves attention, and it has ripple effects on every other part of your health. Lastly, don't neglect the power of preventive care. Stay up to date with recommended vaccines like the flu shot, and depending on your age, the HPV and shingles vaccines. Protect your skin with sunscreen every day, even in winter, and perform regular self-exams for breast health. No one knows your body better than you do. If you notice something new or concerning, trust your instincts and get it checked. Women are natural caretakers, but it's okay, more than okay, to care for yourself too. Your well-being is not a luxury. It's a necessity. By making your health a priority, you'll unlock more energy, joy, and resilience for every part of your life. So eat well, move often, rest deeply, get checked, and be kind to yourself. You deserve it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with others.